Hello guys, the train is coming. It is. CSX! Oh my god! It's a CSX, guys. Oh my god! Look at that, you guys. CSX. Train! Over here. See that? No. What? Oh, it's Oh. Oh my God! Did you see that, you guys? Yeah. Let's go catch him. Look at the werewolf crossings. Look at them. Look at the werewolf crossings. Whoa, that was so cool. Look, there it is. I call it 777.
¿Cómo lo viste?
Escucha la train. Escucha la train over there. Tú no lo escuchaste.
¿Sabes grabando el avión?
Sí. Pues yeah, guys. We are waiting the train.
Look, you see that? Look. You see that?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Look.
We don't see the train now.
Yeah, I guess you can still see the train. Look, here comes a werewolf crossing. See? You saw it, guys?
I saw another light.
Yeah, I saw it too.
I saw the wet and I saw the other.
Look, there it is, you guys.
Oh, look at the bridge. Yeah.
The bridge with us, CSX.
Bye, train. Bye, train.
Bye-bye, train. Oh, see, don't remember. It's still there. So that was the film of the CSX. It all started when I heard it. The train went there. And like, mommy, dame la fin on the hill. She was like that. So maybe I will do this again. Maybe. So this is like the best day. This is like the best day.
Mommy.
Now the train is completely gone. The train is gone, guys. So bye everyone.